What up, YouTube? I just want to complain about Smile Direct Club real quick. I don't complain about many companies or at all, but here's my situation with Smile Direct. So on May 17th or 11th, around that time, I went and purchased my kit, paid the amount of money, paid the kit. And the problem with Smile Direct, you never know or have any clue where in the order process your kit is. You go to your account, no information at all. You are basically clueless of what's happening with your processing of your kit. I waited 5 weeks and still no emails, no phone calls, complete silence from Smile Direct Club. So I got curious and I gave him a call. Now, mind you, what I missed out on is that I paid the full amount of the kit up front. So that was a plus that I needed to take care of. As the 5 weeks come, I'm curious like what's happening. I haven't got no emails, but Smile Direct Club will bombard you with a bunch of emails of get your kits now, all the advertisement, but still no information of the kid. So I gave them a call and I asked him, I said, yo, what's up with the kid? And I haven't got any information that's order at all. And the lady, customer service, wherever they located, says, oh yeah, your order hasn't processed. I'm like, hold on. I paid for this in May. It is now June. It's over 30 days. It's like what, June 27th, June 24th, whatever this day is. I asked them what happened to the order, why it wasn't in process when I paid on this date, and she confirmed it. Okay, so what are you guys going to do to fix it? Well, she said she's going to expedite it. How long does the expedition take? Oh, 10 days. All right. Do you got the expedited number, confirmation number? No, she don't have it. It takes, it's in the process. It takes about an hour. So I call back. If I call back in an hour, can I get it? She said, yeah. Call back in 2 hours. No such thing. But I did ask him. I got the case number. I said, call back 2 hours later. She said, oh, yeah, it shows that it's been expedited. Okay, so I need to talk to a manager or your lead to get some information of where the order is. And the girl says, oh, your order be ready. We sent you in 10 to 15 days. So I got to wait an extra 2 to 3 weeks. So it takes 4 to 5 weeks before it's processed to get to me. Then I gotta wait another 2 to 3 weeks. 9 weeks? Wow, really? So I called back today. So I said, let me run down to Smile Direct Club and see if I can get in touch with somebody down at the local office. Mind you, there ain't no such thing as getting phone calls to these dudes. You gotta call the 1-800 and good luck. So I go down there, it's closed. So I phone call the guy that called Smile Direct Club again, and I asked him, I need to find out what's the status of my kids, because the young lady I talked to last Thursday said that it's gonna take 10 days, but somebody else said 10 to 15 days. What is the status of it? He looks at it. First thing comes out his mouth was, it's pending. What do you mean it's pending? How can you tell me it's pending when I just talked to the young lady not even 3 days ago, who said it was expedited, mind you, and it's still sitting there? At this point in time, I'm like, look, y'all frauds, man. Y'all are completely fraud. Y'all garbage. There may be some people out there that probably and most likely has y'all done them right, but I'm that one customer that y'all completely screwed over. And I should have listened to some folks that's not even deal with y'all. But I said, nah, I'm gonna deal with y'all because I don't want the braces. I just want the the visible retainers, and call it a day. Talked to the gentleman. He said, I told him I need to speak to somebody in billing. He said, well, we don't have anybody in billing. I can't talk to anybody in billing because I want my money back. I want a refund. And he said, oh, well, I'm the one that can help you. So you're going to give me my refund. And then now I'm telling him I want my money back. He getting pissed off because I tell him I want my money back because y'all can't get my order right. So the customer service is garbage. The company may be wonderful, but your customer service is garbage. Your processing is garbage. You don't keep anybody involved in your where the kit sets, which is bad customer service. That's bad. That's completely bad. And lastly is you getting mad at me for asking my money back because you guys cannot follow through of what you're saying you're going to do. I spent a lot of money for this kit and not received any confirmation, no tracking, zero. This is all on you guys. Y'all have a lot of issues to fix. There are people out there that's probably wonderful, have no problem, no complaints. But I'm that one customer that you done pissed off, and I hope that I get my money back. So now I'm supposed to get a refund back, and we'll see. Because he said it could take 2 to 10 days. All right, whatever. I now gotta wait to see if I'm gonna get my money back. Now I gotta go start this whole process all over again to get some damn Invisalign. So now I'm going to your competitor. I'm going to an orthodontist. I'm going through my dental insurance. I'm gonna do it the right way. Man, this half-ass stuff that I'm doing, man, Smile Direct, y'all a joke, man, for real. I hope y'all watch this video, and I'm telling y'all, fix your product, fix your service. Y'all might got a good product, but your service is garbage. And I hope that people that's watching this video will understand, don't take a quick and easy route. Do your research. I thought I did my research, and I didn't do it good enough. But if you got dental insurance, go to your dental insurance and go get your Invisaligns from the dentist. I didn't want to go to the dentist. I just want to do it all at home and knock it out. Now I wish I didn't. Smile Direct Club, y'all got some problems, because right now y'all on the bad side of the list, and I can promise you that I ain't the only one that's having the exact same problem.